here. I mean, not Toffee 7, whatever my name is here with another video. So today we will be doing, we will be making another video. But now we are actually going outside to the playground for no exactly reason. I just wanted to do it. And oh my gosh, look at that. It's a big marshmallow man. So we're now just going to go to the park, doing nothing, just hanging out. So please like and subscribe this video. If you want to see another one, just like and subscribe just to see another video. So today we'll be going to the park for some reason. I have no idea why. But just please remember to like and subscribe. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just gonna swing. So I'm gonna test it out on camera to see. So hold on, I'll be right back. I'm just gonna see how I can go. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. And if you guys didn't know, then my other YouTube account is Delphi7. So today, oh yeah, I already said what we're gonna do, but okay, now we got high enough. You can actually see my leash just like going around. You also hear a little tiny toy car. I have no idea who that is. But, so I think I got the camera to go in the right angle for no reason. I don't even know what I'm doing here. Okay, hold on. I'm going to a place where you can see better. If you can't notice. Now I'm going to go up this for some reason. It's going to be really hard because I have the camera in one hand and then I'm using my other hand, see? This is really hard, if you guys can't tell. Sorry, I just had to drop the camera on you guys. So, now, we have to go in this thingy. Just to show you, just to give you more shade. Now I think I might picture back. Okay, no, that's actually really perfect. So now, at the very end of the video, I will do a face reveal. You guys will be super surprised, because some of you might know me, some of you might, but the ones that already know me, you guys will be super surprised. So, I wish I could have brought my water, but it's okay. That was kind of like an illusion. Next slide. I don't know. Should we go this thing? I think we should. So we're gonna sit. Remember to like and subscribe this video if you want to see more. What in the world is that? It's kind of weird. Let's go back to the park. I really wonder what that was. I really hope that my page comes. But really? What the heck is that white thing over there? I didn't want to get too close. Who did this? Who in the world did that? Wait, I hope you guys can see good, because I can't really see good enough. But remember that if you stay tuned for this video, then remember you will get to see face reveal. This is my first video, so please be nice. Don't leave any hate comments. Oh, and if you're a summer watching this, a special thanks to to Bicey7. She's my bestest friend ever in real life and in YouTube and in games. So just a shout out to her if you're watching. Or to you, Bicey7, if you are watching. So over there is actually, you can't see it that well, but over there is actually my friend's house with a, hold on. What's that? Over there is my friend's house with that white car. That's my friend's house. So I don't know how long I'm gonna make this video. I know it's not gonna be close to like it may be close to 13 or something, but it's not gonna be over 15 or 15. I at least know that, but I don't know. Oh my gosh, I just had a really good idea. So we're gonna go over to this alligator. So I'm just gonna get on regularly its tail. I see the head, and then I climb on the head, and then I ride it on the head. I'm riding it on the head. That's actually really fun. What in the world is? What was that? Ooh. Now we're just gonna go up here. Let's get up here. Ooh, someone with the name. Someone with the name. Let me place you guys down real quick. Just look up there if you want. Yeah, just look up there. Just real quick. Okay. Well, now we're actually up here. Okay, now let's go ahead and zoom in to see what there is. I keep on hearing weird noises in that sewer right there. So I don't know if I should like keep it or not. If I can stay here or not. Because over here is kind of creepy. Seeing that white Thanos stuffed with something and hearing noises in here. I don't know if you guys can hear it or not. But okay, but